This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find deleted files on Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Mac computer and iPhone are some of the most widely used devices nowadays. Millions of people use them in everyday activities because Apple's products are one of the most reliable on the market. Known for their long life and bug-free OS, for that reason, Mac is widely preferred and used by individuals of all ages. We store our precious information on this computer and phones like photos, videos, documents, and sensitive private information. A big part of our life is on these devices. Unfortunately, using them carries risks related to hardware failure, accidentally deleted files, several threats, and natural disaster, which can lead to lost files from a Mac device. So, how to find the deleted files on your MacBook? It's so simple. So, I'll show you first in here. I will try to delete some files from my Mac. Like this one, I will delete this. And also this one. To find the deleted files, you can just open your trash. So here's your trash. But if you can't find your trash on your dock, you can just search on the spotlight. Like this. And you can just open the trash in here. So here's all the deleted files on your MacBook. You can restore them. You can just, maybe you want to restore this one. You can just click on three dots over here and choose on put back. So it will restore to your Finder. And if you want to clear this all, you can just empty trash. So it will be permanently deleted from your MacBook. So here's how to find the deleted files on your MacBook. So simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.